I've heard that side is right around the corner. I mean, this time around घर से किसी का कॉल आ ही जाता है कि कोई ना कोई बच्चा दे रहा है, उसको बस कुछ हर चीज़ें बता दो, थोड़ी एडवाइस बता दो, ओपिनियंस बता दो. So here we go. सोचा एक इंसान को क्यों सबको बताता है. And in all honesty, these are the things I would have told myself 2 years ago. No, wait, 3 years ago. Damn, I'm getting old. Anyway, here we go. Right off the bat, the first thing I would have done is I would have actually studied for BITSAT. अरे बट सेम तो सिलेबस है, 2 साल से वही चीज़ें पढ़ रहे हैं, 1000 एग्जाम्स में सेम चीज़ें आ रही है, इसके लिए अलग से करके क्या ही कर लेंगे. सब कुछ नए से पढ़ना है. एक्चुअली सच कहा 2 साल से ऑलरेडी पढ़ ही रहे हो, बस एक एग्ज़ाम की तरफ ओरिएंट होके थोड़ी चीज़ें इधर उधर करनी है. और इतना कर लोगे तो क्या पता तुमको जो ब्रांच मिल रही होगी उससे थोड़ी सी बेटर मिल जाएगी. 4 साल जिस डिग्री में इन्वेस्ट करोगे उस डिग्री को पढ़ने का मज़ा भी आ जाएगा और उस डिग्री का यूज़ कर लोगे. रहे बट शायद यूज़ कर लोगे. अच्छा, तो ये एग्ज़ाम के अराउंड ओरिएंट कैसे किया जाता है? वेल, फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, सिलेबस का प्रिंट आउट निकाल लो. आंखों के सामने रखोगे तो थोड़ा सा और ध्यान में रहेगा. कुछ मिस हो जाएगा तो उसको कवर अप कर लेना, और सिलेबस के बाहर जो है उसको पढ़ने की कोशिश करनी भी क्यों है. वैसे भी एग्ज़ाम का डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल और पैटर्न तो आपको पता ही होगा. एडवांस इतना डिफ़िकल्ट बिल्कुल नहीं है, मीन्स कि एट पार कहा जा सकता है. सिर्फ फ़र्क इतना आता है कि सवाल ज़्यादा है, तो तुमको अपना टाइम पे और एक्यूरेसी पे फोकस करना होगा. One very good advice that I got from one of my mentors was time your revision sessions as well. So that is when you are solving PYQs or when you are solving questions for revision purposes, set a timer on. 1-1.5 मिनट के लिए सॉल्व करो, and if you're not able to find an answer to the solution problem, and if you're not able to find an answer to the problem, तब तक leave it aside, move on. Your brain will keep thinking about it. Come back to the question and repeat the whole thing again and again, over and over. There are topics which do not require as much calculation, and in organic में उतना calculation नहीं होता. Organic अगर अच्छे से पढ़ लोगे तो उसमें भी calculations कम ही होता है, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता उन सवालों को सॉल्व करने में. You know your strengths and you know your weaknesses. Focus on your strengths. Know something about everything and everything about something. अगर केमिस्ट्री तुम्हारा बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग सब्जेक्ट है तो शुरुआत उससे करो. And goes without saying, there is the logical reasoning and English wala part, right? I mean, if there are 4 weeks left, if there are 2 weeks left, whenever you're watching this video, English का ज़्यादा कुछ किया जा नहीं सकता. अब थोड़ा न्यूज़पेपर वगैरह पढ़ लो, but improving your vocabulary is honestly something that you do over the course of time. It really does not happen overnight. As far as logical reasoning is concerned, most of you must have given those scholarships and MTSC and NTSC exams. So the logical reasoning part really aligns with that. YouTube पे जाओ, थोड़े शॉर्ट्स बहुत देख लो और वहाँ से लॉजिकल रीजनिंग को फिगर आउट करना शुरू कर लेना. ये वो सवाल है जो तुम्हारे हाथ में, उतने मुश्किल नहीं है. एंड वेल, इफ़ यू आर फ्रीकिंग आउट कि तुमको इन दोनों टॉपिक से कुछ नहीं आता, तो भाई 2 साल PCM पढ़ा है ना, वो तो आता ही है. That being said and done, you need to know about test series. You need to solve more questions, and you need to solve questions that are BITSAT specific. Which brings me to today's sponsor. So the sponsor for today's video is Foodoo Club. Hi inverted hoga. Foodoo Club just so happens to be the best test series for BITSAT out there. I mean, I have seen my friends build this thing up from scratch, and I can say that the questions that are included in full length tests as well as in chapter tests are very relevant to BITSAT. And जैसा कि मैंने कहा, प्रेपरेशन शुरुआत से स्क्रैच से नहीं करना है, बस BITSAT के अराउंड अपने आप को ओरिएंट करना है. इसके साथ साथ, like apart from the test series and Foodoo Club, you'll also get mentorship from BITSians. You'll be added to WhatsApp groups wherein you can interact with them and get guidance from them. And you know, it's not just guidance from BITSians. I have seen this, I felt this myself, and I have seen a few of my friends who are preparing for competitive exams go through this. If you have someone who you can talk to, if you have a good community that can help you guide through ups and downs that competitive exams generally have with themselves, it generally proves to be a very, very, very beneficial thing. So here you can always use these communities at your disposal. Test series जो है, the tests, they'll be on the website of Foodoo Club and they are all time. You'll have to submit it and you'll get the analysis of the results, of the answers you've given. And I cannot emphasize this enough, but once you get the analysis of the tests, please analyze them. Please go through your mistakes. That is the one regret. The biggest and literally the only regret I have from my JDens is not analyzing where I was going wrong, because bro, if you don't know where you're going wrong, what are you even improving on? And the best part about this is that in Foodoo you can actually attempt the same test twice. So if you think you've corrected your mistakes, if you think you've revised enough and you want to give it once again, we can go for it. If you want to look at stats, well, last year 100 of their students made it to BITS Pilani. You have two options for BITSAT 2024. First is 15 full tests and mentorship. Second product is 20 tests plus mentorship, plus chapter-wise test, plus English LR ultimate course. And in all honesty, I recommend the second one. It is really great value for money. In general, students do tend to ignore English and LR, and मैंने भी पहले English और LR की बात करी थी. Foodoo has a course which can help you improve your English and LR as well. Last but not least, people want to practice for BITSAT specifically, but generally they end up going to the wrong sources. BITSAT ke PYQs are memory based. BITS really does not release PYQs in open. So jitne bhi sawal tum dekhte ho, they are from memory of BITSians who are currently studying over here. So you might as well take the source directly from BITSians. The link for Foodoo Club will be in the... And well, with that being said and done, the exams will come to an end soon and it'll probably enter the next phase of your life. I know leaving things behind is difficult and entering new things is kind of exciting. I mean, for me, it's almost always exciting. I hate saying goodbyes. I just pack my bags and leave. Once the exam seasons are over, my DMs get flooded with questions regarding BITS. As far as the rooms of Meera are concerned, I'll make a new video on that soon. And seniors, well, they're friendly. The culture is good. I like it so far. पढ़ाई academics, it's very, very hectic. Administration related questions, BITSAT की या फिर BITS की official website पे चले जाओ. मेरे पास नहीं है उसका उतना ज़्यादा information. And well, first year में this really the top 3 things I would have wanted to know. I mean, not just in BITS. Well, first things first. With mains, advanced, BITSAT, state colleges, other private colleges, you can have a lot of options for colleges and your degrees. Choose both those things very, 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 very wisely. Like, that is one decision that influences a lot about your life, that the scope ki wahan pe tum regret karo is itna zyada. I'm in BITS Pilani and I see people who hate their degrees every day. Imagine waking up for 4 years and doing things that you absolutely do not like. It's a completely different question. If engineering is not for you, tum yahan aa gaye, let's not go down that road. But then again, there are people who chose colleges that were not as good at BITS but had better degrees there. Better degrees were being offered over there, like computer science and whatnot. And they regret going there because अब ना डिग्री अच्छी लग रही है और ना कॉलेज इतना अच्छा है कि कुछ और हो पाए. So whatever decision you make, think about it. The second thing is choose your people wisely. There is no doubt that there's going to be people in your life who are going to hurt you, who are going to break you down and who are going to make you cry. They are bound to come. But when you are in that state, if you have a hand to hold, if you have a shoulder to cry on, and if you have someone to make you laugh, then bro, you're lucky. And try to find these people. I mean, in all honesty, I can sit over here and tell you guys कि लोगों को अपने friend circle को अच्छे से choose करना, to walk away from things that are toxic, to walk away from people you don't feel good with is important, is necessary, and blah 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 blah. But I think 4 टॉक्सिक लोगों के बाद ये चीज़ तुमको खुद को समझ में आ जाती है, और वो 4 टॉक्सिक लोग तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी में आना ज़रूरी होता है ताकि तुमको ये एक चीज़ समझ में आ पाए. But have the non-toxic people with you, have good friends with you, because when that happens, you're gonna need them. The thing is, no matter what college you go into, explore. There is a lot of things you can try, there is a lot of things you can do, and try doing most of them. If you fail at them, well, sad, काफ़ी बुरा हुआ, but move on to the next thing or give the same thing another shot. If you want to become a content creator, ये niche नहीं अच्छी लगी तो कुछ और कर लो, थोड़े साल का ब्रेक आ गया, थोड़े महीनों का ब्रेक आ गया, वापस से रीस्टार्ट कर लो, so on so forth. I cannot tell you how many opportunities I've developed for myself because I explored, because I went a little out of my way to do a little something extra, and that landed me on this something extra, and that put me in the position that I'm today. So this is everything Bitsat and Bits. Well, Bitsat yes, but Bits not so much. Like there is a lot of things that you just have to come over here and experience. आखिरकार ऐसी कितनी ही बातें बताई जा सकती है. Apart from that, if you still have any more questions, then let me know in the comments down below or hit me up on Instagram. I'm more active over there now. And उसके अलावा there's more coming on this channel. Stay tuned for it. Ooh, also, if you want to know what other advice Bitsians have for you guys, what are their study methods and techniques, etc., then check this link out somewhere. कहीं तो होगी. Check it out.